and welcome. I'm Laura and I'm doing a mini summer series of different text effects you can add to your business graphics. This one I really love and it's so simple and so effective. I know you're going to love it as well. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is add a gradient to my background. It's pink at the moment. It doesn't have to be pink at all. It's just because that's the color I was using for previous videos. I'm going to head over to my element section and we're going to type in gradient. So we're going to find a nice gradient we can use. This is a standard one that Canva has. It's free to use. So let's go for that one. It's free for both pro and free users. Now I want to add a text box. So I'm going to add a text and I'm going to say holiday because it's the summer and we would all love to be on holiday right now, but we are here. There we go. I'm going to add that into the middle. So I've got a background gradient and I've got my holiday text. We'll change that to white so it looks really cool. I do like that. Then we want to go over to the fonts. Now, this is a different font that I have discovered. Let's see if we can find it. Right at the bottom, it's this one with the black box around. Let's select that. It's made my text big. Here we go. So it gives me this really cool way of adding a gradient into text. Okay, so you can change the color to suit your branding. You can have any color you want. I'm going to keep it to white. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some text boxes. You can leave it exactly how it was if you wanted to, or you can add in some text boxes to take out the gradient background. So you are just left with a gradient font. Now, I know this is a question that gets asked a lot. How can you create a gradient font? This is one way of doing it. You can change the background gradient to something different if you wanted to. We could go for an orange. Set image as background. Let's delete that one. And you've got this lovely orange. You could add a sun to this. You could really make this a really cool background if you wanted to. That's really nice. Let's make that. Replace the background. So you can change the background so simply, and you are creating yourself a really amazing gradient font. It is only this one particular style of font. You can't change this, but it's such a quick way of creating that gradient font. So that is it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed this. I love changing the gradients out on these. I think they're awesome. Let's go for one more. I like this one. Can I add this as a background? No, it won't let me add it as a background. Okay, so it has to be one of the squares. Replace background. And I've now got a purple holiday gradient as a background. So there we go. I will leave you with that one. Please try this out. You can always pop over to my Facebook group, Create on Canva, and pop it in, show me what you've been creating. Other than that, please make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel because there's so many more different videos that are going to be coming into this over the next few months.